Hey guys, we received this Crave Octane wireless Bluetooth earphones for test and try. In-ear sweat and water resistant with the stereo headphones, earbuds with the 8-hour battery, magnetic ends for on and off switch, built-in mic in a rose gold color. So comes in a really nice gift box packing as you can see it here. And then this have this magnetic end as well. So this comes with a different size, the ear support or this ear plugs, and also like small accessory kit in here with a manual, charging cable, with a micro USB charging cable, the microphone itself or the headphones, and the carry pouch as well. So this is actually a nice like a gift box packing. So you can also gift it to someone. Looks really high-end premium quality headphones. So this have the magnetic back as you can see. So this is the magnetic thing. So this is sticking in here because of this magnetic lock thing. So this is all magnetic and they can just connect with each other as well. So like if you want to start, you can just connect with each other and this will start. And then if you just take this out, this magnetic field, this will switch off. So this is a nice thing. You can just put this ear or the earbuds support thing so that it can fits in your ear properly. The magnetic switch thing you have to be a little bit careful uh, because they also use for the switch on and switch off thing. So once this is all set, you can just use it on your ear as a plug. So in the comfortable wise, this fits really well and in the ear with the buttons power up and down or changing in the songs and from the both sides as well. Now like see this is the charging cable thing or the charging port that you can use to charge in. So micro USB cable. So this I need to charge first before using because this. So now it start charging. So this need a really good charge first. So let me charge it and see. So this is a pouch that comes here. You can store your headphones, charging cable and everything. So I'm still like charging it. So I'm not showing, but this is a really nice pouch that comes to store and a clip that you can use with your clothes or anything, or the collar or wherever you want to use a little nice clip. So this is the all accessory kits that comes. So Bluetooth connection is really pretty straightforward, easily connected, very nice hi-fi sound with a nice bass and everything. So when you connect this together, this will switch on with the magnet, and when you just take it off, it's turned off. So you can just put it around your neck, and this looks really good and very nice sound as well.